Most people think their food doesn't taste good because they're not good cooks. But that's not the real reason. In reality, small mistakes ruin food long before it reaches the plate. And the worst part is, almost everyone makes them without realizing it. Let's look at the most common cooking mistakes people make every day. Mistake 1. Cooking without preparation. One of the biggest mistakes is starting to cook without preparing everything first. Ingredients get added late. Heat goes out of control. And timing falls apart. Good cooking isn't about talent. It's about preparation. Mistake 2. Using too much heat. Many people think higher heat means faster and better cooking. But too much heat destroys flavor. Food burns on the outside, stays raw inside. And sauces break instead of blending. Control beats speed every time. Mistake 3. Adding ingredients at the wrong time. Some ingredients need heat. Others need timing. Adding them too early or too late completely changes the final result. That's why the same recipe never tastes the same twice at home. Mistake 4. Ignoring resting time. Cooking doesn't end when the heat stops. Meat, pasta, even simple dishes need a short resting moment to settle and balance flavors. Skipping this step makes food taste flat and unfinished. Mistake 5. Trying to fix mistakes at the end. Many people try to save a dish at the last second. More salt, more sauce, more seasoning. But most mistakes can't be fixed at the end. They have to be avoided from the beginning. Better cooking isn't about complicated recipes or expensive tools. It's about avoiding simple mistakes and understanding what's really happening while you cook. If you want food that tastes better every time, start by fixing these basics. Which of these mistakes do you make most often? Let me know in the comments.